Krishma here, and we are traveling to Amritsar. And of course, I don't want to start this vlog on a bad note, but I definitely want to give you some information. So, a little backstory here. We just tried to check in, and we are flying through jet. And I just wanted to tell you that they consider nothing for infants. Then, if you are traveling with an infant, do not fly through jet. They do not consider a mother traveling with an infant.
They said 0 luggage in hand and 0 luggage check-in for a child.
So please, I just wanted to give you this information that if you are flying through jet, do not travel along with an infant. They will not put any consideration. So today we are traveling to Ahmedabad from Kandla, and tomorrow we will be traveling to Amritsar from Ahmedabad. So this vlog, I will be reaching Amritsar, which is a long process, and I'll just show you things that we do on the way and things like that. And then Amritsar vlog will come, so stay tuned. Hi, made it to the plane. Seriously. And off we go. Baru is with us. A baby Parang. Yes. Mataji. Jai Mataji. Jai Ambe. Jai Ambe. Jai Ambe. Jai Bhavani. Hey. Sky. Where is sky, Param? Where is the sky? Yes. Let's go to the room.
Is check-in done?
Yes, let's go. Baby, see, chalo. Nanu Nani is waiting for us. Let's go.
Okay. Thank you. So thank you.
Made it to the hotel, and before our luggage arrives, I'll give you more luggage arrives. I'll give you a quick room tour. Paru, I'm giving a room tour. You want to give a room tour? Mr. Param Thakur is already playing. That's the view. Let me show you the view first. Hey, it's the city view. This is our room. Hey, I'll show you the bathroom as well. And now let's see what next we do. So Juju and Param and Mama and Nani, all of us are going for dinner. We're going for dinner at Dakshinayan. It's just opposite to our hotel, by the way. If I did not mention, we are staying at Courtyard Marriott Satellite. So yeah, now we'll just go have dinner. It's 6, but we are very hungry. So let's go. Mom is here. The thing is, we forgot Param's stroller at Bhuj only. So luckily we are staying here we stayed here for the night in Ahmedabad. So we had it put on the bus. So I'm just going to go collect it, and then we are going to go catch flight for Amritsar today. हाँ ये 212 में भेजना. And having our breakfast now. So is Mr. Param. So we are on our way to the airport. We had a quick breakfast, and now we have our flight at 12:55. So it is around 10:45 right now, and we reach in 15 minutes. So let's go. We are flying SpiceJet. Also, I'll give you an information on what the infant regulations are on SpiceJet. So yeah, see you at the airport. So made it through the security check, and just a little information. When traveling with an infant, we were allowed 7 kg hand baggage for infant, no check-in baggage in SpiceJet. So I think if you are traveling anything other than Air India, it is 7 kgs hand baggage only for infant. So keep in mind, and we are ready to board to Amritsar. So dad got us pan on the way to airport. So I had one, and I do have one more.
Also, you can like carry the baby stroller with you on the flight, and it is not included in the 15 kg baggage that is allowed. So yeah.
Param has found a friend to play with at the airport. Finally made it to Amritsar. We are here for 4 days, and today we are staying at Courtyard by Marriott. Tomorrow again we are changing hotels because we wanted to stay there only from the start, but we did not get the room because of the Shera long weekend. So today we have booked here. Tomorrow again I'll give you another room tour. I think there will be 3 room tours in total on this trip. So yeah, stay tuned. And let me give you a quick room tour of Courtyard by Marriott Amritsar. It's a very nice room, and the people and the staff over here are also very nice, very helpful with the baby also. So here is a room tour. So this is the room, and this is the bathroom. Very nice. This is the bed, TV. And this is the curtain. Wow, pretty cool. So this is the view. I hope you enjoyed that room tour, and I think I will end this vlog here and start the actual Amritsar vlog, where we'll be going to Golden Temple, Wagah border, and eating a lot of food. So you'll enjoy that vlog, and I will see you very soon. Bye, take care, and please subscribe. So we are off to Kesar Ka Dhaba for our dinner, and already stuck in traffic. यहाँ पे Golden Temple के पास बहुत ज़्यादा traffic है, तो let's go.